Right, I'm back. I have retrieved another clip because there wasn't enough in the kit for some reason. Don't understand why, but slide this one on. Get these all about right in the place. And you want to put this, get all the gearbox in last, so you get these in their position. So cable wants to be around like that. Aha, there we go. We got in. Oh, it's so fiddly. So that was my lost clip. I don't know where that came from. It's no matter, I have another one. One there. One there. And then a link. So yeah, actually you don't have one on that side then. Maybe you don't. Stand corrected. Now this is the awkward bit. Trying to get all this in. Another one on there? Gee. Oh, where's my circlip? Oh wow, I get loads of them. 3 circlips. It's obviously expecting me to lose them. There we go. Clips that in there. So it's worth just checking it before everything's screwed down, but make sure this is tight down, otherwise it will slip again. We'll put the circlip in and test it. So in theory, where's my handle on? There it is. It should now work. Ah, what? I always used to give you the pins. Giving you 3 circlips that you don't need, or 2 circlips you don't need, but no pins. That's interesting. Don't come with them. That is really annoying. It's proper annoying. It's supposed to come with them. Definitely hasn't got them. I don't know where the other one's gone. I'll have to find that. Get some new ones. Managed to find some new clips. I had to get them out of another kit, but they definitely weren't in there, so they do normally come with these. I will keep these safe. Don't want to lose them. One hinge, pin. Alright, let's get everything screwed back down. So these are handed. It does actually tell you, it's got a little label on there, that is the right one. And then put the bush on first, and then that goes on top, and then the little spring fits in between the bush and there. Which is easier said than done. Right, I think we are all ready to give it its full test. Everything is now tight. So it should, in theory, be okay. Yes, they're all okay. Hooks go down and up as they should. All in line. Nothing slips out of alignment, so it looks all good. Right, so all right. It's a bit of moisture right in the centre of the lens. It's not helping, is it? Right, it's all back together. So you close this until it actually locks, so you can feel that the little hooks are on both sides. Obviously both the hooks should be equal anyway, if nothing's slipped. And then we get the handle back on. So pop the handle back in. Into its locked position. So that's the place where it will be when it's locked. And then put the third clip back on, which I will need 2 hands for. Better. Adjust the third clip slightly. And then it is just a case of guiding this into there, and then getting all these the rubber grommets back in these little clips. Like so. Done. One SkyLight fixed.